All right. All right. So welcome to one of my client case studies. We did make their sort of video and brand, and I guess sort of one of their avenues of. Welcome to a client case study where we did help one of our brands that specializes in like online interior decor and things of that nature. I won't really go too far into exactly what they specialize in, but we did help boost some of their sales and boost their audience come quarter 4 of the year, so they could sell a lot more for the holidays and whatnot. So this is just a quick case study how we took their audience, I would say pretty much viral within just using 3 videos, and it doesn't even include all of the audience or all of the other avenues of watching their content, including TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. This is all just YouTube long form, and we specialize sort of in everything. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so whoops. All right, so to begin with, they were getting like 332 views of video, 91 views, and those were some of their like most recent I guess videos before the partnership began. And we sort of try to encourage them, like video is the highest leverage tool right now to use for your business, in my opinion, and that be media and specifically short form content, because 80%, and this is a fact according to Adobe, the software company, 80% of all mobile data that is consumed or that is used on smartphones in today's day and age, and this is as of 2023, is short form content, short form video. So let's just continue on. And let me go ahead and make this a bit smaller so you can see some of the diagrams and whatnot. Yeah, so as you can see, 68 views, 417 impressions, click-through rate, average view duration. People were clicking every now and then. There wasn't no real fan sort of base. There was no, I guess, constant, viewership. There was like a couple passive views that somehow, some stragglers got to their videos in some way, shape, or form. All right. And this is just another diagram of how the views were going. They got like 1 subscriber, and this is over the course of October. So this is the entire month before we started our partnership together. This is from October 1st to October 30th of 2022, and both of these diagrams are from that time frame. 68 views, 1 subscriber, etc. Right? And this is what some of their thumbnails were looking like, and this is some of their, I guess, some of the content that they were releasing in regards to interior design, and they do. I guess sort of give like a sort of a demo preview to help some of the customers or consumers that do end up transacting with them get a sort of an idea as to what they offer. And this is what their SEO / thumbnails were looking like, because as you know, the SEO for YouTube does sort of include the thumbnail. The thumbnail does help with virality. So let's go ahead and keep going. And this is the thumbnails after the partnership. As you can see, freshened it up a bit, made it more appealing, made it more likely to be clicked by said viewers, right, and by said people that are supposed to be transacting with them eventually. And now you can see the analytics after the partnership. This is literally the next month. This is the following month. So the first couple of pages that I showed were from October 1st to October 31st, right? This is literally the following month after our partnership started. 37,000 views, 3,000 watch hours, 210 subscribers, right? Just in the following month. And this is only including their YouTube long form. This doesn't include Shorts. This doesn't include TikTok. This doesn't include Instagram Reels, right? Let's continue on. Let's look at, this is also just November as well. Some more analytics. 37,000 views. It's getting like 3,000 views a day. 527,000 impressions. That means that their video popped up on 527,000 different computer screens, phones, what have you, right? So 500,000, 500,000 people saw the video at one point or another while scrolling through YouTube, and they could have clicked and they could have, transacted with them, and this is almost like, this is what paid advertisement gets you, right? Paid advertisement gets you impressions. Paid advertisement, of course, there's more complex targeting mechanisms with paid advertising, and you can like retarget people and things of that nature, but that is paid. You pay for your advertisements. You pay daily for the paid advertising, right? This is organic content. You record it one time, we edited it, we optimize the search engine with the title and everything, put a new thumbnail, and literally posted it, and for free, it got in front of 527,000 computer screens, 527,000 phones, what have you, right? Let's continue on. And this is, as of today, this is what everything's looking like, and this is with just three videos alone. So I just targeted just the 3 videos. I didn't include everything else that we've been working on. I didn't include YouTube Shorts. I didn't include Instagram Reels. I didn't include TikTok, right? And you already know how many views that they were possessing and they were gathering and garnering on the other platforms, because as you know right now, the algorithm for every single social media is prioritizing short form content, short videos, 10-second, 30-second videos with trending sounds, etc. I won't get too much into that. We're going to keep focusing on the case study here. So as of today, just with those 3 videos, I just selected just the 3 videos that we first began with. 44,000 views, 656,000 impressions. That means 656,000 computer screens, phones, what have you. That is advertising. That is basically paid advertising without having to pay daily for your advertising. That is free organic content that brought in 700,000 eyeballs. This is amazing. Attention works. The proof is in the pudding, right? And as you can see, there's a funnel here, just to show how many people did matriculate through or did funnel through, and eventually watch the video and learn, and click the link in the bio. So you got people to convert, but the crazy thing is here that from 3 free organic videos, all right, no paid advertising included, you're able to get your video and what you are offering in your video, aka your offer or your service that you're providing. You're able to get that in front of 700,000 people just with the right thumbnails, the right optimization, the right hashtags, the right editing. And this doesn't include the virality of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts that will literally boost any clip nowadays. I use it, I utilize it myself, but I also see it within my clients that those things boost your virality and your audience growth at an insane rate. So this is just including the YouTube content or the long form content. And what we do here at Attention Works is we go ahead and take the YouTube long form content, let that grow as these have, and then we also take it, cut it down into clips, edit it, make it sort of like clip native, so that it can be native to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. We post them on those videos daily throughout the week, and you can just go ahead and do the numbers in your head as to what that would look like. So if you are interested in any sort of extra information as to how this works, as to how the whole content and process, or the content machine that we sort of implement in your business works, in your service-based business or your offer or your online coaching business, etc. If you want to know a bit more tab or information as to how this works, what this looks like, and how it could be implemented into your business, there are some links below that I would love for you to help yourself out. Maybe they will provide you some more value. We have a video in regards to the content machine and how the content machine works. We have another case study as to how other entrepreneurs in the space have grown their content 10-fold, 8-fold, within the last couple of months, just utilizing the right strategy and right offer, right? And I'll also have a video that touches on the importance of short form content and the best marketing and content marketing strategies in 2023, and where all the trends are heading. And these are studies that are conducted by HubSpot, one of the biggest marketing advertising or marketing or CRM space, marketing companies in the space, right? HubSpot, Adobe, right? These are the sort of people that we're getting our data analytics from as far as where the trend for social media and marketing and content is going for 2023. All those links are below. I would be happy to hear from you. If you are interested in any more information, like I said, click the links. There is a link to book a call with us, just to go straight on the phone. Just straight on a quick call, like 15-minute call, just to see what your business is doing, what your offer is looking like, how you would like to implement content, how much time, how many hours a week you're spending on making content, etc. And like how much time you would like to save, things of that nature, right? And if you also would like to reach out to me on Instagram, my Instagram link is down below. You can just send me the word growth, quote unquote, just send me the word growth, and I will be happy to just provide you with any information that you're willing to, to look out for. So yeah, thanks again. My name is Cordell, founder of Attention Works, and I appreciate you watching this video.